Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start the Lexus and sit in the driver's seat with the phone ready. Power the infotainment and wait for the home screen to appear. Ensure the phone is unlocked and Bluetooth is enabled in settings. Make the phone discoverable and keep it within 2 feet of the vehicle. Close other Bluetooth apps to avoid interference during pairing. Have your phone battery above 20% for uninterrupted pairing. Confirm any system software prompts before proceeding to the next step. On the infotainment screen, select Setup and then choose Bluetooth from the menu. Tap Add New Device or Pair New Device to begin the search process. The system will prompt you to choose phone as the device type. The car display will show a passkey or PIN for verification. On your phone, select the Lexus device name from the Bluetooth list. Confirm that the passkey on your phone matches the car display exactly. Accept the pairing request on both devices to complete the connection. After pairing, accept prompts to allow contacts and messages access from the phone. Set the Lexus audio source to Bluetooth to route calls and media correctly. Test the connection by placing a phone call and playing audio from the phone. If audio fails, check volume levels on both phone and infotainment system. For persistent failure, restart the phone and the vehicle, and then repeat the pairing sequence. Remove old Bluetooth profiles if the vehicle lists many devices, and try pairing again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.